Yes, that time of the year has arrived.
It's time to sign up for the Summer Reading Challenge.
The time to enjoy a variety of exciting books.
And the chance to win plenty of fantastic prizes.
Story Garden!
Hello, it's Gayney here from Carmarthenshire Libraries. It's that time of year again. The Summer Reading Challenge is back, and this time it's all about the Story Garden. Get ready for an adventure that brings the magic of nature and books together, along with amazing prizes for you and your family.
What is the Summer Reading Challenge?
The Summer Reading Challenge is one of the UK's biggest reading for pleasure programmes for children aged 4 to 11. And best of all,
Extreme!
What is this year's theme?
this year's theme is Story Garden. Imagine a world of adventures in nature, from planting seeds to watering plants, from digging soil to growing vegetables. There's something exciting for everyone.
When does it start?
Mark your calendars for Saturday, July the 5th, Super Sign Up Saturday. That's the day you'll join our Superstar team and meet our marvellous mascots. Here's introducing
Solar! Robin! Priya!
Jess! Reese! Jamal!
How can I take part?
To take part in the Summer Reading Challenge, you need to be a library member. Joining the library is so simple. Just visit your local library with a parent or carer and bring a form of ID. One of our friendly staff members will sign you up for free, and you can start borrowing books straight away.
Can I take part online?
You can also take part online at summerreadingchallenge.org.uk. Add each finished book to your profile to unlock digital badges and fun online rewards.
What happens next?
Once you've signed up, you'll receive your Story Garden booklet. Every time you visit the library, you'll collect prizes and incentives to help you along your reading adventure.
How many books do I need to read?
The challenge is to read 6 books. Yes, just 6 books. But if you love reading, you can always read more. Explore a variety of fiction, non-fiction and picture books. What makes the Summer Reading Challenge a great activity to be part of?
I think everyone should do the Summer Reading Challenge because it's really important to learn new things and enjoy reading.
Not every family reads all the time together, so it's a way of getting the children to read a lot more than what they would normally. These children then, through reading, I think would take interest in things they wouldn't normally would have taken interest in. The things might pique their interest in these books, which they'll go down a little rabbit hole of reading more and more about it then. It encourages their vocabulary and just their communication skills in general then.
Every child will benefit from being a member of the library. The Summer Reading Challenge, being held again this year, will give the children the opportunity to enjoy and experience a wide range of books over the summer. Being a part of the Summer Reading Challenge will develop their love for books and ignite their imaginations.
What do I get for completing the challenge?
At the end of the challenge, you'll receive a certificate and a medal to celebrate your amazing reading achievements. Your teachers will be thrilled when you bring a certificate into school after the summer holidays. They might even hold an assembly to celebrate your success. Plus, every school that gets involved will have a chance to win the Carmarthenshire Libraries Summer Reading Challenge Shield for 2025. The more pupils who take part and complete the challenge, the better your school's chances. So don't forget to tell your friends.
Do I get anything else?
Yes, by joining, your name goes into a lucky dip to win tickets to the Museum of Speed in Pendine, Carmarthenshire Theatres, your local leisure centre or Pembrey Country Park. Remember to like Carmarthenshire Libraries on Facebook and follow us on X for updates about all our free summer events. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up, and help us make this the best summer reading challenge ever.
Stop!